Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. The topic of our today's video is how to send WhatsApp messages to Facebook leads for paper and packaging business. So I'm running a paper and packaging business, and to promote my business I'm running certain lead ads, and I want that whenever I receive a new lead, an automated WhatsApp message should be forwarded to them. For this we have to create an integration between Facebook and WhatsApp. But how is this possible? So we are going to create this integration with an amazing automation software, that is Pabbly Connect. In Pabbly Connect, we have principle of trigger and action. For trigger, we are going to use Facebook, and for action, we are going to use WhatsApp. To know how to do this, let me take you to my computer screen. In this video, we are going to understand that how can we send automated WhatsApp messages to all our Facebook leads. I'm running a paper and packaging business named Package Express, and to promote my business, I'm running lead ads. I want that whenever I receive a new lead in my lead ads account, an automated WhatsApp message should be sent to all my leads so that I don't lose a connection of my leads. To make this happen, we have to integrate our Facebook account with our WhatsApp account. But how is this possible? This is possible with an amazing automation and integration software, that is Pabbly. To start with this automation, we are going to click on sign in. If you are a new user, you can click on sign up for free and you will get 100 of tasks free every month. So I'll click on sign in because I am an existing user. After clicking on sign in, this is the dashboard that appeared. This is the Pabbly's all apps window. In this window, we have all the tools offered by Pabbly. So we are going to select Pabbly Connect for our today's automation because we want to connect two applications, that is Facebook and WhatsApp. So I'm going to click on Access Now. After clicking on Access Now, it is redirecting me to my dashboard. This is my Pabbly's account dashboard, and to start with the automation process, I'm going to click on Create Workflow. After I click on Create Workflow, it is asking me the workflow name and the folder I want to save the workflow in. So I want to save the workflow in this folder, which is named as Facebook Lead Ads to WhatsApp Automation. You can save the workflow in your desired folder too. After that, I'll name the workflow as Facebook Lead Ads to WhatsApp for paper and packaging business. After naming the workflow and selecting the folder, I'm going to click on Create. After clicking on Create, it is opening my workflow window. This window is the most important window of our automation because it has trigger and action in it. Trigger means when this happens, and action means do this. By this, you will understand that the trigger is the commander of the workflow and action follows the command. So this means that we can have only one trigger in our workflow, but we can have multiple actions following the commands of the trigger. After that, we are going to select our trigger application, that is Facebook Lead Ads. And then we'll select our trigger event, that is New Lead Instant. You can select New Lead also if you don't want to receive the leads instantly. But I want that as soon as a new lead is submitted, my Pabbly's account should capture the lead and then send an automated WhatsApp message to all my leads instantly. So I'm going to select New Lead Instant. After that, I am going to click on Connect. As soon as I click on Connect, there's a pop-up window appeared that is saying add a new connection or select an existing connection. So I'm going to click on add a new connection because I want to add a new connection. If you already have your connection, you can click on select existing connection. After that, I'm going to click on connect with Facebook Lead Ads. And then I'm going to select my account and click on continue. And you can see that we have successfully connected our Facebook Lead Ads account to our Pabbly's account. After connecting, we are going to select the page and lead gen form. As you know, the name of my page is Package Express. So I'm going to select Package Express as my page. I'm going to select my lead gen form as contact forms because I want to create the automation for this form only. If you want to create the automation for any of your another form, or you want to create automation for all your forms, you can select all lead gen forms or any another form. But I'm going to select contact form. After selecting the page and the lead gen form, I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request. After clicking on Save and Send Test Request, you can see that it is saying waiting for a webhook response. This means Pabbly is waiting for a new lead response to capture and then continue the integration. So we are going to generate a dummy response. To generate a dummy response, we are going to open Lead Ads Testing tool from Meta for developers. If you want to know how to open this, you can check out our YouTube channel. After that, we are going to select page and form. For page, I am going to select package express, and form, I want to select contact form. And then I am going to click on preview form. After clicking on preview form, it is asking me for the details. I'll just fill in the dummy details. So as you can see, I wrote the dummy details, and then I'm going to click on next. And then I'm going to click on submit. After that, you can see that it is saying your test lead has been sent. So we'll go back to our Pabbly's account and check that if Pabbly has captured the lead or not. And yes, you can see that Pabbly has captured the lead. Here's the dummy email that we entered, the dummy name and the dummy phone number. After that, we'll move on to our action step. And for our action step, we are going to select the application as WhatsApp Cloud API. After selecting the application as WhatsApp Cloud API, I'm going to select the action event, that is send templated message. After clicking on send template message, I'm going to click on connect. After clicking on connect, again a pop-up window appeared which is asking me to add a new connection or select the existing connection. So I'm going to click on add a new connection. If you already have set up your WhatsApp Cloud API with Pabbly's account, you can click on select existing connection. After that, it is asking me for the token, phone number ID and the WhatsApp business account ID. So how will we get there? For that, we will go again to Meta for developers, and as you can see that I've already created WhatsApp Cloud API account, and if you want to learn this, you can check out our YouTube channel. After that, we will copy the temporary access token, the phone number ID and the WhatsApp business account ID from here, and we'll paste it to our Pabbly's account. After pasting all the details, I'm going to click on save. After clicking on save, it is connected to our Pabbly's account. After that, we'll select the template name. To select the template name, we'll again have to open Meta for developers. And you can see that it is saying to create your own message template, click here. So we are going to click here. And as you can see that I have created a lot of templates already. If you want to create a new template, you can click on create template. But I'm going to select an existing template, which is this Facebook lead message. After selecting the template name, Pabbly detected the language code and the template ID automatically, so we don't have to change it. We'll just map the mobile number and the body field 1. Mapping means inserting data from the previous step. And as you know that our previous step was the trigger step where we selected Facebook lead ads as our application and we generated a dummy response. So we'll map the phone number from that response only. So after we mapped the phone number, this has become dynamic and this will change after every new lead. After mapping the phone number, it is asking me body field 1 example dummy user. This is the variable I entered in my template message. To let you know more about this, I will show you my templated message, which is this. Over here, I created a variable 1. This means that whenever I receive a new lead, automatically this 1 will change with the new lead's name. You can add more variables if you want. So we'll just map our variable. After mapping the full name as a variable, we are going to click on save and send test request. But before clicking on this, I'm going to replace the dummy mobile number with my own mobile number so that I can show you the response and the message received. So I have replaced the dummy mobile number with my original mobile number, and now I'm going to click on save and send test request. After clicking on save and send test request, you can see that we have received a positive response where it says message status accepted. This means that we have received a WhatsApp message. So we'll go to our WhatsApp and check that if we have received the message or not. This might take a few minutes. So we'll open our WhatsApp. And yes, you can see that we have received a message saying, hello user test. Thank you for showing interest in our offerings. One of our employees is going to contact you soon. So you can ask about offers, discount and any queries that you have. Thank you and regards. So we have successfully completed our workflow. But we are going to try this workflow once again. So we'll again open lead ads testing tool. And we'll again enter a dummy lead. But before entering the dummy lead, we'll have to delete the previous lead and then we'll refresh the page. It is really important to refresh the page, otherwise you'll not be able to preview the form again. After that, we are again going to select the page and the form. And then we'll click on preview form. We'll again enter the dummy details. the dummy name, and the phone number. After entering all the details, we are going to click on next. And then we'll click on submit. You can see that it is saying your test lead has been sent. Now we'll wait for a few minutes and then we'll go to our WhatsApp and check that if we have received a new WhatsApp message or not. We'll open our WhatsApp and you can see that we have received a new message with the new dummy name that we entered. This means our workflow is successful. We'll just summarize the workflow once. So for our trigger step, we selected the application as Facebook lead ads, the trigger event as new lead instant. We selected the page and the leads in forms. After that, for our action step, we selected the application as WhatsApp Cloud API, the action event as send template message. We connected our WhatsApp Cloud API and then we selected the template name. After selecting the template name, Pabbly automatically detected the language code and the selected template ID. After that, we mapped our phone number and the body field 1. If you have any doubts, you can directly comment on this video, and if you want this workflow, I'll just clone the workflow and share with you in the description box. Thank you for watching. Not only these two applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can integrate many more applications. Now, if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this website. And if you find this video helpful, do like and subscribe our channel for more such automations. Thank you.